Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify AirPrint availability on an iPhone. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify AirPrint availability on your iPhone, start by unlocking your device. Open the Settings app from your home screen. Scroll down and select Wi-Fi. Ensure that your Wi-Fi is turned on and that Next, return to the main settings page. Scroll down and select General. Tap on About. Look for AirPrint compatibility information. If your printer supports AirPrint, it will typically mention this capability in the specifications. Now, take note of the printer's manufacturer and model. Next, go to the app screen and open any app that supports printing. For example, you can use the Photos app. Select an image that you'd like to print. Tap the share icon at the bottom left of the screen. Scroll down and select Print. You'll see the Printer Options screen. Tap on Select Printer to search for available printers. If your printer appears in the list, it supports AirPrint. Choose your printer from the list. Select the desired print options such as the number of copies. Once you've set everything up, tap Print in the upper right corner. Check that the print job is sent successfully to the printer. If your printer does not appear in the list, it may not support AirPrint. Alternatively, ensure that your printer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your iPhone. This concludes the process for verifying AirPrint availability on your iPhone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.